Hi my dear friends, I am Rosni. Welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to share with you all how to remove warts without any surgery. It mainly happens on the neck area, on the cheek area and under the eyes. If there are very less in number, then today's remedy is super successfully. But there are way more in number, then don't use this remedy. In this case, I would personally suggest you visit the doctor as soon as possible. Today I have taken raw papaya, which is too much beneficial for consuming and applying. It's treat acne control breakouts. Believe me, it's too much beneficial for consuming and applying. So let's start without any further delay. And if you here for first time, most welcome. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start without any further delay and also watch the video till then. So let's start. Can you see the tree? It's my garden's tree. Today I will take a papaya from this tree. Papaya as well as its seeds are very important for us. I think everyone should have a papaya tree in their house. You can see I have taken a raw papaya and I have washed them very properly because I will collect its juice. Since it will help us remove warts. This milk is too much beneficial for liver and warts. Let's show you the demo how I have collected the papaya milk. See the juice already started coming out. If this milk can be consumed every day, your liver will be free on any problem. You observe how I have taken out the milk. Obviously use green papaya, so that you may get the milk in abundance. See, the milk is coming out. The enzymes papain and cymopapain in papaya can decrease inflammation. The protein dissolving papain can be found in many exfoliating products. These products helps reduce acne by removing dead skin cells that can clog pores. Papain can also remove damaged keratin that can pile up on the skin and from small bumps. Now I will collect them together. Now see how I am applying it on the warts. Today I am showing you by using it on the hands. Make sure to use them on the affected areas. Apply it 6 times in 24 hours. Apply it again and again. Apply it until totally pure. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates, because I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Always check my description box. Other link of my videos are given there, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. All links are provided in the description box. Follow me for sure. Always be well. Take care.